It does. It definitely goes downhill from that point forward. And even as early as late tonight, we'll start to see some wet weather moving in. But today is a nice little gem for you. You end up with sunshine and the temperatures that are balancing off in the wake of that cold front that brought in the stormy weather last night. Now we do rebound, but only to a more comfortable daytime high in the mid-70s. Now, looking at this wide zoom, it's all clear along the eastern seaboard. You see this batch of heavy rain and thunderstorms well off to our west. That's part of the problem. Essentially what happens is cold front lifts actually back in as a warm front heading into tomorrow, and that's why we've got additional rounds of wet weather in store. Now, part of the day should still be salvageable. This is one of our computer models, so it's just one of the forms of guidance that we use, but I do like how this is initializing. At least initially, you're going to see some rain early tomorrow morning, especially true for the northern half of our area. But, you know, we're on the air here at 6 a.m. You could end up with some wet weather out there. Then it looks like there should be a break. So, again, you could salvage part of the day here. It's not a drenching washout, but all of you may be going out to the Phillies game, doing some tailgating. Keep in mind there could be some locally heavy rain or even thunderstorms that erupt heading toward the evening. So there's a possibility that there's a rain delay, at least initially, for that game, and then they would maybe get in some drier innings later on as things do start to dry out, at least briefly. The problem is that front's going to get stuck nearby, so there's more wet weather on Sunday. Here's a look at the pollen forecast. However, you're generally medium high in that range with the tree pollen. Having some rain yesterday definitely helped matters, but we're not at a level that's low enough to not bother you. That may, if you've got seasonal allergies, it could still be a day that bothers you here. But looking forward, again, a lot of ebb and flow with this generally unsettled pattern. So at least there's more rain, Misha, to watch.